What if I told you you can earn $100 daily with AI? Sounds intriguing, right? Today we'll explore how you, a beginner, can tap into AI for income. The world of AI is booming. It's changing how we work and earn. Now, let's break down the steps to start making money. First, visit ChatGPT. This tool is fantastic for generating ideas. Ask it for money-making ideas using AI. Once you have ideas, select what interests you. It be creating YouTube videos or digital products. Choose a direction that excites you. Now, it's time to create. If you choose videos, plan your content. Aim for engaging, informative material. If you choose products, ensure they solve a problem. Publish your content online. Use platforms like YouTube or social media. Share your work with the world and start building an audience. Growing an audience takes time. Stay consistent and interact with your followers. Building trust is key in this process. Now, let's talk monetization. There are several ways to earn money. First, consider ads on your YouTube videos. As your audience grows, so does your income. You can also try affiliate marketing. Promote products you believe in and earn commissions. It's a great way to boost your earnings alongside content creation. Lastly, offer services based on your expertise. Consulting or coaching can be highly profitable. Remember, these steps are easy to follow. With dedication, anyone can succeed in earning money online using AI. To sum it up, use ChatGPT for ideas, create engaging content, build an audience, and monetize effectively. So, what are you waiting for? Start your AI income journey today. Explore new ideas and take action.